here's the thing, I spend most of my time in this tiny room. It is quite messy, boring, and uninspiring. Since I'm gonna make a career shift for the next few years, it is quite reasonable to make this room more interesting, or at least easier to film with. Well, let me walk you through the room by sections. Section 1, rock number 1 looks cool, right? A corkboard with easel, expired protein, some random stuff, a floor lamp, a tiny pinboard, a closet for off-season clothes, a tag, a basketball hoop. Wait, what? Anyway, that's it for section 1. Let's move to section 2. A sliding bed that I rarely use, a scale, some packages, clothes, of course they're clean. Rock number 2, rolled up leather, some other DIY lamp, and some boxes. Well, let's move to section 3. Some small packages that may or may not open, a studio light with my back on it, some big packages that I never opened, mobile storage unit 1 and 2, a desk for PC, of course every PC needs a desk. Or really, lamp number 1 and 2, trust me, I have a lot of this. Building block number 1 and 2 and 3. A section perspective drawing, an art piece from Gox, a YouTube channel I was a part of. Don't worry, I'm gonna have my own this time. I'm out of breath, just let me take a... When talking about interior design, we're overwhelmed with a lot of infos. Or I should say, way too much infos. Here's a pro tip. Drop all of those and just list what you really need. For me, I need this room to be a study room, a studio, a bedroom, a lab, a gaming center. Wait, I don't even play games. A display room for designs. And the most important function I need is a film set. Everything listed above should serve for this purpose. So, I need a plan.
Plan. Noun. A detailed proposal for doing or achieving something. A two-dimensional technical drawing that represents a building or space as viewed from above.
In my case, I need both of them. Let me show you some examples I like. And of course, we're gonna need a scale and north arrow. Here are 2 videos you may want to check out if you want to learn more about that. As for right now, I'm gonna need some numbers to illustrate the plan. But before that, I need to reset. Here are some friends help me measure the room. This is Jake, he's the one checking the level. This is Tyler, she measures the angle between the walls. This is Chris, he's gonna help me with short distance measurements. And this is Kelvin, he's doing the rest. So here are all the numbers, let's translate. While my assistant is building the model, let me make a quick announcement. So if you want to see my journey on upgrading this room, just stick around. And of course, like all of my other projects, I'll make a design manual or design specs, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to name the materials, the building techniques, and the product I use. So if you want to offer some help or just sponsor the process, please let me know.